Alright guys, good night, good night, good night. Welcome to the boss with another video. I don't know, sometimes I show my face, sometimes I don't show my face. Alright, I have to talk about this. Alright, so I posted one video last night and the feedback we may get from the video is like a lot of women are got through disappointment, broken heart and abusive. They're in an abusive relationship. Me never know, so my platform, when persons come forth and share them story, it's like they are telling other people's story, guys. They are telling other people's stories where, to my surprise, I was like, damn, I so much, what would I say? Over 40 plus year old woman, I live some life, guys, where it's either them man I mistreat them or they're in an abusive relationship. And I must say, I have some voice note when I go share and story to come. One lady called me say, our husband, Zane, she and her husband they for about a couple of years well and she leave and find out her husband a cheat on her with her sister. His sister they are Jamaica and him they are America. When he go down and stay at the family house, the sister come over enough time and succumbs him and his sister. So just imagine a man married a woman and fly come down to Jamaica all the while and make it look like it's a business. And when he come, are the wife's sister and the wife find out. That is a story we may go bring on the platform. A second story, a lady say she meet one man from Jamaica. She live in UK. She say, man, guys, she said she don't want to come out to the story yet, but I'm going to change her voice and I'm going to listen a preview. I'm also going to hear a voice recording where a lady share with me. Say, she and her husband said thing where the lady go through, with the man lick her up with the cutlass. Each she go through now. So, is Jamaican man at the worst? No. Every country have them problem, but we are demonstrate and we are concentrate on Jamaicans. Because that's what we respond. But we don't respond with Africa, we don't respond with nowhere else. Jamaica. We have to fix Jamaica first and fix Jamaicans' problem. You understand? So, it don't look good. Another set of women said they're afraid for date man from Jamaica. Where do we go from here? I'm going to hear all of them out here. After when you press the like button and like this video for me. Zane, but this relationship thing, it'll get out of hand. I also want to hear for this week, this month, I have to pick off callers. So persons who call me show and make sense, when I get an airplay for my premiere video them at night time. So I'm stay tuned for that down in the video. But I'm going to hear them voice note here and then we talk about them in the video. Like the video, guys, comment and share. If you have a story and you want to share, link me at 876-277-3254. Make we drive, make we listen.
Mixup boss, I feel a woman in pain where the man use the machete and beat her. I feel her pain. Damien, I feel her pain 100%. Because what she attack a logical facts in a Damien, and I see him think me I go through, and what me have to do. I know it have a hard fear, but see, me there with the man and the man beat me same way. And when the man done beat me, who you think the man bring in? The man beat me for bringing some low life woman. What me I go do? Me have to walk away because I now make him take my life. But I understand for your situation is a more drastic situation than my situation. I end up lock him up, Damien, and I lock him up. I go to court, me and him there court, and we have to go and mediate now, and we have to go back to court the ending of January again. So I understand the lady plight where she go through. When you do with a man and you're loyal to them and you decide say you're not cheat on them just step out, and when them step out, at the woman them where them go outside and have an affair that tell them off to run them yard, And when the woman them tell them because the woman them have them head, because of crutches, You see when they come in there, man, them use and abuse, and no matter what you do, because they want to get rid of you for bringing them woman. It hard. I understand where the lady I go through there, man. Me feel her pain. Because me to go through my one a day, man. Me to go through it. And me get beaten left, right, and center. All in my head, me get beaten with cane. But I decide to kill me if I come out. And know me walk away, leave him there, man. Me never know me could have do it. But me do it for myself. There, man, I never know I could have do it. And me do it. Me do it there, man. And me walk away. So me walk out of the man's house there, man. All me walk out with. The man give away the whole of my clothes them to him, man. I never have a decent suit of clothes left back on my back, there, man. And me sit down and me think like the lady, you say like how she say, she don't know how she go do it, she can't do it, there, man. She can't do it. Cause me didn't fear shoes and me that tell myself, say, me don't know if me could have do it and me do it, there, man. When me walk out, the two little piece of jeg clothes and when me have them couldn't even put on decent for gonna go do a decent job interview to the man do me bad. Cause the man decides me have to come out. Yeah? And me sit down every day and me consider me and say, Jesus Christ, how me go walk away from this man? And this man beat me go and this man beat me come. The man show me out every minute, the man show me out. When the man go over there with the woman, the man come in and show me out. And he used to get the woman them deadline when me fi come out. You see when the deadline come for me come out, him just pick some little things to build argument. Yeah? Because anytime I see him build argument, me know it going to narrow down to abuse him. I go want to lift him and I want to do something. And me look on it. Me look on it there, me and me understand the lady plight. Me understand what she a go through. Me feel her pain because I've been there, and I've done that. I've been there and I've done that. Me there with this man from 1995. This man travel foreign. This man go foreign, go married him, do all different kind of something. And me still there with the man. But you see, when you love a person, and that's the problem in the man is when you're there, when we as a woman there with a man and we say we are loyal. When we're loyal, it no work out for we. It don't work out for we, to be honest. Yeah, it no work out for we. Because the amount of abuse I go through with this man. I mean, never one day get up and consider say me go cheat on him. And this man come 2018, my relationship was perfect. We never have no problem, Damien. We never have a ounce of problem. And 2018, this man come from foreign. And the man come and decide to open a wholesale. Right, this for everything. Everything break loose. Because you realize all of the women them come in because him open up business place now. When you look, him start take phone number from them. And him start running body. When me say running body, because through the woman them are running into him, it's like him a move like him don't know what it is like for being with that woman. They me and me couldn't open my mouth and say nothing to him. Me there in the business place and went and me there. I mean him put me out when the business start, him put me out and put in woman. Him put me out a door and put in woman and me decide to me now walk away and me don't get nothing from this man. Cause me go through too much with him. And I sit down every day, me and to myself, and I say, Father God, how me I go do it? Me don't know how me I go do it. And I say, August gone, I wake up. And when the man give me clothes, I never know which name woman and give me clothes too. And I leave, and I go to Kingston, go look about one work, and I come back. And when I come back, I say, man, it come like the world up on my shoulder. I couldn't manage. I don't know. I just tell myself, I'm not going to make it through the day to home stressed out. I don't want to go home. Up on the roadside, I sit down. And when me feel the strength in the 2 o'clock and I get up and I say I go home. I say I get up the man and say I go home. When me come, I'm reaching at the town. When me reaching at the town, a him and woman me see I step out of hotel. Me don't know Damien where the taxi man drop me off there so. Me don't even know say a hotel the which part him I come from. And when me look at him and the woman, me see I walk arms in arms. You see, when me look there, man, and me close the girl altar a van, and him and I walk up and down. There, man, me I tell you. Tell myself, good woman never get a good man. And good man never get a woman. Never get a good woman. I understand the lady, the pain where she go through. It was hard for she, because at the end of the day, I know it's hard for me too because me put in everything in the relationship just like she. And they may know when the man decide, say him no want me no more. When me there with that man in that wholesale, I'm struggle. And when me there with him, me a struggle and I build the man and the man the other side that tear me down, the man. You see when me look, the man end up by how much shop. Him rent 1 shop on the plaza and the man end up by 6 shop on the one plaza. At daytime, the man only want to see daylight. At daylight, a morning time, when as him open the business place, him gone. Him find some woman yard for gone. When him not gonna yard, woman yard, him gonna hotel. When him not gonna woman, when him not gonna woman yard and gonna hotel, him bring them in a house when me and him live. We go through whole heap the way, Damien. Me not think this lady go through half of when me go through. But we just have to, anytime she find the strength and the willpower, she a go walk. She a go walk. She not find the strength yet, because me dey tell myself me couldn't do it. And me look on it, and when time I look and me see in August, and this boy I go there with, after me see man at the hotel, me said to myself, say no. Me said this can't be. And me go home, and when me go home the night, him come to me and I tell me say he want sex. Me said no, you can't get no sex. I sell me, I sell it. Me said me you living here, me not gonna wait to nobody. Anyway, you put me down a day, you come back and find me. And then when you done, you want come, if you come. Me said no, it can't work. It can't work anymore. So me tell him, I sell me, I sell the sex. That this all hell broke loose. That was my final straw. Me no know what in a some of them a man ya. Me no know. But I true the lady I talk. Once you see you take up a man or a man take up a woman and you see them struggle to nothing and when time they make it, then take up some kind of woman where not even a cup of water they no want boil for give them. Not even a suit of clothes them now wash give them and them then left them good woman for. Me tell you this, Damien, there is more to this story. But I can't give the full story because a long time I want to give you this story. But me just I tell myself, me I wait until the time the court done. Yeah, me I wait until the court finish. But me I tell you, Damien, me feel a woman a pain. Me say me feel a woman a pain more than 1,000,000% because I know what the lady I go through. But at the end of the day, she will find the willpower and the strength to walk away. She no have the strength yet. She not have it. And me just a prayer. She depressed, it will bring her in a depression stage. Because me talk of experience myself. One of the time doing me one of the time the man me feel like I chuck off all of the building or the upstairs of the house where me live and kill myself. Yeah, enough time I think about it and enough time I walk and I go work in the morning if I go in the wholesale and when I walk, enough time I feel like I got the main road and throw myself in a one truck. But thanks be to God, me they have big some big people like big woman when me could have sit down and talk to when me confident in her. But me don't know how me do it, but me know me did have to do it for myself. She not reach her breaking point yet. She not reach her breaking point yet.
There's so much broken hearted people out there where want to share them story. I make this clear. Me say a lot of guys send me some voice note on the topic we do last night. I make me reach out back when me say most I man them want to understand what me I talk. And everybody can comprehend with a reason. Cause me I talk about man who have a good woman and still go out there go cheat. That was my topic. That was my voice of reason. Me see man I send me voice mail and tell me say, oh, me not fi say that cause now time my problem is and a man alone cause problem a woman. I never say what cause problem in a relationship. Me just as you have to understand. If me talk about problem, it happen on both sides. Me never come on here and say every woman innocent. Me never say no woman na get born. Me never say woman na get problem. I came on here and I said, why when a man have a good woman, Zane, him always mess it up and I'll go out the road, go there with some low life and him having good woman and him a cheat and mess up in relationship. That was my point of reasoning. Sorry about that, guys. My phone a ring. That was my point of reason. Sorry about that. I mute it. Okay? So, the guy who sent me the long voice message, listen before you send a voice note. I'm not going to play it on the show tonight. But anyway, I'm going to hear. I'm make the lady explain because she understand what I say. Lady, talk.
Well, go and mix up, boss. You know, say you're one of the few men them were really admitted and say, and one of the man them were always a fuck up in a relationship. You know, say a big man thing and big woman thing. A true talk. I tell you, I tell you, I go through my share. I never cheat on any one of them. And the whole of them cheat on me. And trust me, I'm my baby daddy. You want to see some of the woman them when deal with and won't breed up. And if you see me, you would never believe. Trust me. When me used to go on the street, people used to be like, I look upon me and me I was wonder why they must stare upon me and they must say, I find out they must say, boy, them always have to look for say, what could have wrong with a woman here? With a man here, a good woman here, and I mess around with the carelessness them on the road. I work, I come home, I do everything. I'm not careless. Come America, I mean business, work, save my money, do what I have to do. And trust and believe. That's some careless girl. Fast forward to what me I go through right now. Mix up bars are the same thing. Meet one, they look young. You think a Jamaica them bad? That's the woman them come to Jamaica come look man. They up here them worse to mix up bars. Them worse. That's why when they come up here them left. They left the woman them because when they come them see all different kind of woman. Them buy up sorry. Remember, some of the man them never used to have some brown skin woman, cause brown skin woman no see them at Jamaica, So when they come America and they see the Spanish girl and the Yankee brown skin girl, them then can catch a fire, mix up bars and they start this we at the same thing. We want them at Jamaica, you bring them come up here, same thing, them up here but then come off of them own at the same thing. You try with them and this you same way. The last one I deal with, mix up bosses are between me and you, no put no put nothing out there, just between me and you talk. Me I deal with this man and me I tell you, him look younger than me and me I tell him, me and him make life and else the man breed girl out the road, him hide it from me. Then him I look, mix up boss, yo, my story, you know what, hear my story. Come I never know where we start and where we end when we deal with Jamaican man in America. And me I tell him, a woman who look good, because the picture up there so right now, my mother. And my mother passed away, so I always let my mother picture upon my DM. I tell you, a straight Jamaican man me deal with in America. I tell you, mix up boss, hell with them up here. Hell. I mean, work, buy all my house and everything. Ready. As we second man, now I'm married, man, I tell you, say, now I'm married. When you buy a house, then tell us they want half of them to get half of your house. Mix up boss, America them bad. You think of Jamaica, me tell you, and that if I start tell the audience, them say, America them bad. That's why I say, why do man can't find man a foreign? Them up here dash with me, not no problem finding them, me no mix up bars. Me have no problem finding them, but me, right now, celebrate for 3 years ago now, me no go on nobody and me look good. The man I look me every day, me no want them because like them just come and mess with your meds. And the last relationship when me done with that one, me I tell you, they mess with your meds. I strong woman. And me survive. And me still I go through problems, same way. And me just have to be strong every day. Her take care of my bills them and pay my mortgage. God help me. And me tell you say, all a woman can do right now. And I can advise any woman 40 and over, make sure say them take care of themselves. Not put in 100 in a man. If them go buy a piece of property, not get no man involved, that will cost them their life or their relationship or their sanity. Everything will come with it. Because the man you don't want nobody. As far as I'm concerned, that's why enough of them are turn anti-man to me I see. Them don't want nobody mix up bars, them just want to play the game. Then you them there for a couple of years, then boom, then gone, you make life and ready for and a circle along with them, then gone with somebody else, gone go start one next life with again, then boom, then gone again, and I saw them as a run, then just a spin. So tell me now, man want to circle down, and I talk about woman and Delilah, and because we find out, say, them no want nobody, and we find out, say, them are wickeder, we woman start be strong, and know, say, we not take no shit from them no more. So that's why they must say, we are Delilah. If we was a woman now, like back in the days now, like our parents' days, where woman sit on home and man take care of everything, we'd have go through hell. When me a little pitney live at Kingston, Mixup boss a whole heap of thing, you know. When me a little pitney live at Kingston, remember everybody me see I run out, me a little kid, you know, me hear my mother, everybody I say, I call my mother and bully one heap of commotion a go on, corrosion a go on outside. And me remember till now when we get bigger, my mother even explain it more better for me. A man will live a house with him baby mother and pitney and him pitney them. And the man get up, he go church, him and woman if I used to go in church, and he go different church, and he get up the morning, the woman press, wash, cook, and him live, and he put on the suit and go up at the church, go get married. The woman mad to this day. Step out of the house when live with the woman and go married to her next woman, gone. Sleep at the woman, I'm telling you, a woman when live with him baby daddy. Wake up the man, the woman press him suit kind of back in the days. Press him suit, gone, and got married. That's how man do we. And when we do them one little thing, they want kill we. Mixup bars, you know much time I get threat. Man say them going to kill me. I mean, I do not need no. But the way I carry myself and the way I look, and if the man ring my phone one time, a man, them threaten me to kill me, and I never cheat on none of them. None of them a cheat. Mixup boss, I tell you, when time I come to Jamaica, I want to see me all the mates. Come I tell you, the man them wicked America and Jamaica. Jamaican man. I'm going to deal with the Yankee. Alright, take care.
Alright, so this is my pick off call as more and big up Mr. Ivan. Then him call in and him explain the situation good. Mr. Ivan in about 75, so I guess him a old school. But even though Mr. Ivan was explaining somebody on the chat, I say a foolishness him attack, film style outdated. And I said, then at the mindset that I mean a man speech outdated. I want to know listen this and tell me if this outdated or if I not be a facts. Mr. Ivan call in and say, guys, thumbs up alive, like this video for me. Me could listen.
You see, Jamaican men and women, right?
Yeah.
They love, but most of them not in love. Love and in love is two different things.
Oh, love and in love
You
are
know.
two different things.
That's right. And if you have a woman or even your wife, then you have to treat that woman like a princess.
Mm-hmm.
And she will treat you like a king.
Mm-hmm.
It's go both ways. And if you treating that woman right, or if that woman treating you right,
Mm-hmm.
none of you gonna cheat on each other.
You feel so?
You know, no. How many times?
So what about the man they have a good man, Mr. Ivan? What the man have them good man where I go head over heels to them, do anything for them and then still feel good and then still go have one little sweetheart and go on themselves. What do you mean? It's happening from generation.
They classify a good woman as a woman that wash and clean and cook for them. That's how they're talking about a good woman. You know, if you have a good woman, you gotta treat that woman right. You know, and that woman will treat you the way, and that woman will do everything for you that is right. How many times you see a Jamaican man like on a Friday evening we buy a bunch of roses and take it out for the woman?
Hardly.
Many times see that they prefer to take that money and go into the rum bar and go drink a rum.
Oh God.
I'm telling you, if you treat that woman right, if you treat that woman right, the woman might be going to work just like you and she come home every evening. And a Friday evening, I might say, hey, don't cook. We're going to go for dinner. You treat her right. And she will treat you right. You don't have no occasion to go out and cheat.
Mm-hmm.
If you love that person, you're not going to cheat on that person. They don't know how to fall in love. How many times when you were growing up, you will see your mother or your father hug each other and tell them that they love them?
Let's see that now.
We don't go that way. So it's the same mentality we have. We don't know to treat our woman, and the women don't. They're not going to treat us good if we don't treat them good. It go vice versa. We got to treat each other right.
Mm-hmm. But may I tell you this, Mr. Ivan? You see your dialogue and your opinion where you give now. That is that is the reality where we want to live. But
that's right.
yeah, but it in today 2024, you all can find it. And you as an elder man, you talk the right things in way. That's how it's supposed to be for true. But it's not happening in today's.
How many times you must see a Jamaican man walking out there holding the woman's hand?
That is the next thing. You know, say, I went on the beach one time and I see Jamaican man I walk with them woman and then now hold them hand on the beach. And I see this guy I walk with one white lady. You can see that she a foreign and she fly down. And him a hold her hand and I walk on the beach and I say, the man look like him a put on a show if he get one little green card or something. Because I say, you don't normally see Jamaican man do that. Or maybe through one foreign woman, he might try to impress her or something. But you all see it for true. Sometimes them all walk with the woman and walk fast, walk down left the woman and the woman the back of them a walk.
That's right. You see, the Jamaican man. They say you have a old saying that I don't know if you ever saying say why buy if you can't drink milk you don't have to buy the cow.
True.
You can't get the milk to drink for free. Once you have a woman, right? Like when I used to be in Jamaica, I used to be like the ratio is like 6 women to 1 man, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you have so many women to choose from, and the third woman you have at home, and you see that woman look nice. You're gonna go out on the street and see that woman look nicer than she. And you're gonna want to lust after that woman. When you see that woman the first, how many times you will see, like you have a girlfriend then, and you will take her to Port Royal like on a Friday evening when you get paid and go buy fish and you enjoy yourself and you might go to a movies. And once you get her in bed, that's over.
Facts.
You know?
Mm-hmm.
It's over. You're not going to do that no more. You try to get her where you want her, and soon as you get her where you want her, then you just start to treat her as a regular person because you're going after the next fish.
Let me tell you this, Daddy. It's a time, the morals and the time change now where man look upon woman like an object. We can touch and go and get one next one. That is the problem we have. You see, even in the dance hall arena now, one time back in the days, it was man and woman and rubber dub and a dance together. Now, man a dance in a group. You know what I mean? Man a dance with man, and man a this is like an woman then the one place I watch. So that says a lot about man and woman and how a man love a woman and respect woman. You know, did that again, man, like one time, you know.
There's something they've done with man.
Done with man.
If you respect that woman, that woman will respect you.
Mm-hmm.
And I hear a lot of people talk about relationship. Relationship is both sides.
One man say, what kind of flowers things?
Right.
Well, the empire. What do you mean, what kind of flowers thing? You man me like buy flowers and carry on go gear. That's romantic. In America, this is the thing now. When you watch movies, movies kind of, most of the movies them based in America and overseas. That's how the man them show romance to them girlfriend. Them start with flowers. The woman will come from work, flowers sprinkle on the floor. Dinner cook, champagne, and whole heap of little thing. That's how we as Jamaican man have them swag them man. May I be honest, rough.
They call the Jamaican man their mama man if they see them do those things.
Mama man.
Because a lot of you don't see the Jamaican man doing those things. If you treat a woman like that, you don't see a woman will be working. They're not working more salary, but you treating them right. They will save like $1 or $10, and they will go to a jewelry store or a perfume place, a cologne place, and they will pay down on that perfume and surprise you with it, or surprise by you a piece of jewelry or stuff like that.
Man.
They treat you the same way you treat them.
I'm going to tell you this, Daddy, because you're older elder man for me, you're a big man. You're in the game and you know it. That's why you talk your speech some more experience, because you come from an old school level than not right. I'm going to tell you this. Most ladies, and ladies when me meet too, I can't talk for myself, them always find woman where if me and them in a relationship and then see one cologne or then see something, then me call me and ask me if me like this or if me like that and then buy me. That for sure say it's about caring. So as I said, the woman them he show it. But not for the man them does last. The man them
you treat them right. You treat them right.
Exactly.
They're gonna treat you right. You do those things for them. They do about the same thing for you. But when,
right.
They don't. You see, a Jamaican man don't know what to do, how to fall in love. They just love. You love your kids and you can't love your dog and you can't love your cat. That's how they love. They're not in love with these women. They wouldn't hurt them to go outside and cheat if they're really in love with that person. You're not going to cheat on that person because you're going to check that person's feelings and say, suppose that person do that to me, how I'm going to feel. Hey? Suppose that person, suppose that woman go out and cheat on you, how you're going to feel. So why would you go out and cheat on that man if you're really in love with that person? You're not going to do it.
We as man, we give on, and when we forget it back, one come like one kill the woman, them I take a piece of them limb or something. Yeah.
And another time when this woman go out and cheat on a man is with the way they put the man treat that woman at home. You come in and you don't show no love. You come in and you don't go to the bathroom when you shower or something, or you stop at the bar and you hang out with your friends them and stuff. You don't give no woman no time. They need time. They are persons too. They need your attention. You have to give them attention.
Okay.
You know, you become one. Go tell you become one now. So you got to like give away. You know, neglect some of your friends. Them leave them aside. You know, you got to concentrate on your home. If you have a woman live with or you have a wife, you got to think about that woman. You got to spend time with that woman. You got to make sure feel like it's precious. You know.
All right, Mr. Ivan. Thanks for your input. Big of yourself.
All right. Take care now. Cool.
All right, cool. Yeah. So somebody put in the comments a call out. Yeah, guys. So I just say a thing there now. Right, there's a thing there right now. So if you don't agree with the uncle, the elder, let me know in a comment. And trust me, there are so many. There are so many guys. So many. I'm going to preview one story when I go premiere soon. That one here, boy, I'm going to change our voice. I'll come live. I'm going to listen to this.
No, me come to you, but not with the story, but not really like what's happening. This is a different story with this guy where my ex, when we used to know from childhood and go back in relationship, I never know say him just either use me for money and them weird, but treat in a police and I can't do that nothing yet after the case because him pick me up from the airport and set up gunman for rob me. Him take 9 hours from Mobile to Kingston. Never know say I set him that set up for rob me. I have to jump out of car, run like thief. Him crash the car, me have to run like thief. All about police station. And me look the police door lock. So the gunman even run down to me and them where there's a long story, but me make you know. Can't too talk about it yet until the case and everything. But just stay blessed and do your work. You're blessed, man. You do a good job to name and shame them. All right, then. Stay blessed.